Dude, I see you can start talking. It's childish, bro. I'm here ready to drop my cameo. I got Vanessa to come in and redo my Sherlock. And what? No shoot.
We can reshoot.
Nah. You know what? I'm gonna do it.
Do what?
Be you, bro.
I'm not sure if that's for me, bro.
Yes, still live on Pure 95.7 on HammerTime. Flowking.
Senior.
Yes, Anopei on se encomandoso.
Sir.
Na R. Kelly issue bi bae. Na Emma Bibri ababontin se wafefi omo. Ono ma ndiniye nti omdina kujina court. Na ohwe R. Kelly ex-wife no. After all this interview documentary never a lifetime documentary series on surviving R. Kelly no. When ya Ruby play one of the TV series. And it's a ofa ho nya adwuma. Na one of the trailer no o make a comment you say I don't know what is it like to be R. Kelly's child, but I only know what it is like to be his ex-wife. Inti am say statement we boa movie no promotion. Na last week Monday ana a lawyer no omo attorney no Michael Avenatti or champion a man course no on so yache no chioma no ye say what defraud a Nike.
Okay, lawyer no the odima
man okay what defraud a Nike.
Okay,
almost $220 million.
Wow.
And now one mismanage $1 million of his client.
Wow.
And was high fraud, a bank fraud be or wires cabinet taxes be alpha. Until from the look of things, no wait my trim 100 years.
Lawyer
oh yes, nice. I and job face life imprisonment. Now I'm interview be on CBS.
Okay.
Ebusa and say it is no the other side no. How does he feel?
I feel no so I shame no.
I said maybe at no better
thank you.
Near to money.
Thank you.
Inti Pesiti interview na CBS. Michael Avenatti. Na it on so comment about the issues no. Yes.
This is Pure FM 95.7.
No, and any suggestion is absolutely absurd. Nike knew from the very first moment that I had any contact with Nike that I was insisting that the truth about what Nike had done be disclosed to federal prosecutors and investigators. The truth is, for years, Nike and its executives have been funneling payments to amateur players, high school players, and to their handlers and family members in an effort to get them to go to colleges that were Nike colleges and ultimately, hopefully, to the NBA so they could sign a shoe deal with Nike.
What about the case in California? You've been charged with wire fraud, bank fraud. There were comments, in that complaint saying that you tried to embezzle, or you did embezzle, $1.6 million from a client you represented. The
client who is accusing me of embezzlement is currently on felony probation in California. You know what he was convicted of? Multiple counts of obtaining money under false pretenses. It turns out, and I didn't know
Pure
this
FM 95.7.
an extensive criminal background and rap sheet associated with his conduct. So again, nowhere does that appear in the complaint. So there's going to be a lot of evidence. There's going to be a lot of facts that are going to come to light.
You're facing, if convicted on all of these charges, up to the rest of your life in prison. Are you nervous?
Well, of course I'm nervous.
Are you scared? Are you concerned? I mean, tell us, I guess, as someone who, again, has a history of representing people, and now you're on the other side, facing some serious charges.
I am nervous. I'm concerned. I'm scared.
But you also seem confident.
I am confident because I believe the facts are on my side.
This is Pure FM 95.7.
Kumasi.
Yes, you're still live on HammerTime. Come your way every Friday, 9:30 to 10:30. This morning I have Flowking Stone in the studio as my my co-host. Flowking.
Yo,
what did the lawyer and kind, you know?
Yes. I heard it.
It's one of those AFC hit, you know.
Exactly.
And it looks like case now or they bought R. Kelly, you know, so I hear when you're but issues because even tapes now. All claim say a man their brain on us. How one put a tender tapes, no? Yes. And I might be feel say surviving R. Kelly documentary in the crime looks like so shall say. Because some of the women I want appear in the documentary and the client.
That.
Exactly.
Wow.
In 7 I be brave.
Wow.
Yes. And pay Besane ye nua baby so twetwe nkomo.
Okay.
Obaba Christy.
Oh.
Ye hu se VGM no ni din apia wom. Na nanwum oyi ba ye waswame. Waswame. Ya nominate no nti ye ne betwetwe nkomo anopa yi. Ye ne Lo Kenya enso ebetwetwe nkomo. On say Lo Kenya so make a comment be about say royalties are free the past songs no.
Yeah.
On Jim royalties, I mean, if you say a past and a past, you know, only the home, inti, and a praise you know, so what you can come on. You know, so ever you can come on now, yashe. Inti, before you know about Pat Christie, ever you can come on, you be a new way from a Lo Kenya. Now, says Yashe said, a new way, a new mountain who's candy this time around.
This is Pure FM 95.7.
Kumasi.
Yes, good morning, my brother.
Good morning.
Lord.
Hello.
You share check.
Yes, I know.
I say evangelism no juma minimum say ano din ye adaje nim. You need to do a lot of research, you need to pray because attacks and a whole lot of things about so now I believe that so far so good. Me personally I'm impressed because the last time we shared that was Fox FM free again me no free crying ebe Kumasi time we tune for an anniversary bi no plane I was ro no okay men kai we yaw that time na nyame ato ne nsa frɛ eye oba no na edanyame asese stella okukura emu na ye wa hoden VGM enche ebeba so ogigi awards ni bi o perform ye before I call statement bi a me hu ya na che say you are not interested in royalties from your old songs no VGM so far I was a man for comment thereafter the organization ni bibiano. How do you see it?
Oh, my mentor for the asset for friend. Me so far mean follow this. So far mean follow. To me share them in the could be too much.
Okay.
So far no me share them in. But say mobile, but me share them in too much about.
Okay, so this brings to this question. Now you say uja nyom to na okoye evangelism. Now say nyom no crowd is out of plans and adwuma na wo because I know say once o share nyakopon asem no nyom so betimi dey minister to people. Nti ade na wo ja nyom na chidi kra.
Nyom no dey menyaye na o so Christo sumo no ye wo say when they say, no, say, foul pain, you obey Christo near, or Concona Baba Betana, or no, the cancer or Neoma was away. Na Neoma or Catrem and Nona Meme, maybe to Toma. A day to say the Encasuja near or Quaco. The ordinary Nimono and Army commander, no, no, Becca shoot, you know, shoot, Becca said that, no, that's the same thing. And he minya and yomono, me buy muno, the decana for the emsa me buy the buy. First one down call, share me something from Bram, the year, come a dance here quite fast, the friendly Christ night happen.
Okay.
Quite faster rather than it's a come. But maybe I knew you know, catch them say, na enkofo pepere wo mutiri mu se ebi anyomo no na me pesa me da betin ti na me se na ye Kristo ni but na obema o mahu so no na afre me enti anyomo no de me fan to na jo de ofre me se me na me ye no ono abema me aye enti ano na me gusu ya ya church go bi ya compose bi oba time me so me famra enti na me famra nyom ne de minyae ene ne wo kasa ekura sa me kasa na kwa so wan kuye na so the beat to asia me kasa na kwa so ye no me kasa pa I'm going to gift ya chedi ya nyo tamfo na de mame ya chedi ya nyankopon ana de mame but the difference in here say time men na fabra
okay
so no kasa me fabra dia na just on the camera ono be mama ko de na me bi ai.
Okay, now my publication be say royalties to onyom na waye dada no. You're not interested in taking them. I didn't know make that statement.
Sorry, that statement. Sorry, my can't be way back how many years ago? Almost about 7-8 years ago.
Okay.
Menye royalties bill me be a Christianino first one be a omom so man that could be first one be
right
and no money na on confusion say ka chen say menye fans can bill menyo mo na ma 7 albums ni na I have nothing to do with it and to me in sense of 4 ton David me got up petrol na me see and I'm say man in a drink a hot my own super my recovery mu na obama so papa me who so more ton we see this maybe ho e bi shani pa ko na say oh papa bi na de bre no and more ton in the auto but more ton pa but I have nothing to do with it and the royalties you said you ma my we are say anyum so me bi fa me say menyu me juma bi amaye we are say bia no but said the nkonko asem no ni hu asem ka 7 years now.
No, does it mean say those messages were wrong? The music content wasn't wrong?
No. Some of them were. Some of them. Obiri, you know, they say Hammer says, why?
Yeah.
That time, and I'm in worry, and na bonyu we na mekachi obi yiri obi mpra kra pa me koju ha sidi wan ma ba ma obi ese koju ese jak obi yiri obi mpra kra nti me fa wife ko me so senka wo se de ni we ke tu na ka ba to e tu pa na ka ba to
but say in reality no
95.7
in reality no is there
say is there but what say ma me person me ka say I me na me ya ade no na me ya problem
okay
and you na me Canada and then you driver so coffee campo fano ho born again o de bobi children of Africa they are powerful I forever enchem but me na me can sa ade what na me ye be na was me ye no ana baby and she me na me a problem and to say by grace through faith is not by works that any man can boast. Ephesians 2:8. Say by grace na ajime me digiti na je grace ni di. Say. Chamio mano be bia na mitina no de na me can never braba. Say there. Na sunu sai no. And she that is the problem. The problem was not about anyomo na me. The problem was me. Me na me board driver suko. Na me ankasa me Mexican one, I may but rather call, you know, we are not making the campo fan of me, no, Jack, can man in front of I hope all the person is
yeah, Machasi.
And no, that's the problem. But and then no perfect, and you may be a the air can be air powerful. The campo fan of they say, so can imagine it a hopper and the first and the campo for one because I'm going to be a die.
Okay, Lord. And you know, Mr. Gospel tracks now no, Anna or email me because I would love to listen to them. na yes you the attention ya kwan na I think say it's better say no so be pushy because at the message na dey man it's like a juma na
na India no be no decide yes I know the no decide them so just so you mean and to the other support we be decided say they still we just why you mean also so say Jesus is Lord
but maybe a perception be a be say a musician will go into this because of maybe a China baby but me personally knowing you know I know say genuine. You didn't do what you did because of BB a real change and I'm who but on say I see the papa for me who ni papa.
Oh yeah,
exactly. Oshe Obi Daddy Lumba or gospel songs but still I know you need any different but as a total change. Look at what is happening to Papa She now.
Right.
Anyway.
Pastor G-Man. Pastor G-Man.
Jaga P.
Pastor G-Man. Jaga P is also in your right now, right?
Yes.
Wow.
Wow.
Lazy Dog.
Yeah.
As in Opambo.
Yes.
Nana Aaron. Sunkwa.
Right.
Brother no born in Sunkwa. Omunyana they are there. Omuye Jumano London, maybe America. And she said they can a perception said they can, but there are some number of how we don't may argue about them because time will tell. What about it?
Sure.
Yes, some of them the car, you know, they change the BB. The Western May, you know, Western May, and also a May, and Omona, Mubina perception, or Mubina change of mind. The earlier they change, the better because. Yeah, they say that we are there in cultural system, it will not. I even do. I say I don't know. I dangerous. They say over the next time, brother, we are then I told we are this. Na question na you must say
yeah. Okay. Me request about me Mickey. Say I would love to see. Actors or musicians and unless celebrities are or more atoning that line every stage one day
we are planning
exactly yeah time come okay
yeah, Jim and create here. I Morris baby face moon. I was
sounds good.
She plan abdominal because that's why footballers you be people.
Oh yes.
Footballers almost what to line or Amasiniga, not to be sent any person and a public support. And she a radical coupon, so I'm not a being the staff of
yes.
On my own star, a bush animal in a woman, the star on our strength. Every person, you know, we be being to my way, sir. But always the question we say, are we shining positively? Because I mean, start to say those times I'm confused, family, so Lord. Let me tell them, I said, the moment we need to care. Am I a star? Send me a star. Let me tell them, I know would be a change. The moment I am covered, am I a star? I'm a star. Let me to radio so not get me promoting you know as about say will be engineering copy and quite dear Sebi had the corner the Pacone and so the Pacone and quite here. Am I a star? I think that this are some of the questions I was able to tell because maybe you know, a more contact and go say. So, what if I be what into Hammer Pines and Wobra radio? Meaning, say, you are a star, but he puts you there for a purpose. So, what would the major say? And me, Mama may not make us say, through you, no, Obi and that is the way forward. That's what my surprise.
Yes,
you know, may feel say it's hard time. In the normal fee, some bit my boy and Rama Yet, and knowing you are always like that. So you're always there for good things. And the Moana Winko, and she Anna one can also I own ya or no, but another so for the most also Canada.
Yeah, Canada. He has a church.
Exactly. And I mean, someone on about me whole was quite which were to me. Yes, you will. That's another is Obama Shigunis.
Yeah.
Me Shigunis, I know her most. I don't want to
that's only a track back me. I remember Morris. Yes.
Extra Ubin Assembly Solomon Kaya or say and any idea yen sayeni at 2 meter be our officer. And she said Nepota was a time and unforeseen occurrences happen to every person on the earth. And Nioma yen sayeni. Hey, and to be the Sorano part went to Kana Kanda Pakunya Quenchano over to
never.
So being over
exactly.
But and you my young fire new at 2 meter and they will quay and then would see a wouldn't die, but wouldn't die the BBC in the cow fun of our magic and Sanna.
Lord Evangelist Lord Kenya. That's it, sir. Boys are real. We catch Love is a Kenya Queen the 7 Series BMW the buy. Ada Jenny.
I say between the garden and the wood and the garden and pavement. What's the leader?
5.7.
Lord, who do you be? Yeah, but Pemre, no matter invite you to studio. Near the common mob, because some of Dawson. Na Yemre Ninti, Edbesia. Na me dance some friends so James so. Na me kan ho.
I put it you here also.
I put it papa baby into say wild. Yes. It's officially me should invite you.
That's fine.
Because a year no kakresi mi na so.
Yes. Kwame there why are there? Kwame there so Kwame there bra panyo. But this is a radio, no time starting radio, no channel on na continental video manager.
UST.
And she me present to her. Na me no story be o car obestra. Adam no be the book program I'm saying made. Kwame show studio who yes ma start bonum na. And you man me bono say rascal I say radio. I was this program.
Look here, you miss ya and ask you.
Just a young boy, I would remember when my mommy really bought me toys. She said, Lila, can you run and I'm gonna take you to school. To be a doctor like your father, you must stick to my wood.
Okay, so live on Pure 95.7. I have Flowking Stone here with me. Now, Flowking, Kwaku Anyidoho, NDC, former secretary, no? Yeah. I'll say going forward, no, they won't allow or they won't contract any celebrity to help them in their campaign. Send us who know.
Minim the dear or Casa. I don't know if you are not me personally. I don't get myself involved in politics. It's what I won't say me kujina party be actually publicly that I feel say and yeah, no winning elections, you know. Okay. So yeah, because even though you're influential enough to push certain floating voters, no. So come the na overboyum trainer say nkusi baby. Exactly. So
okay, so it comes to endorsement.
Yeah.
You know, endorsement in sometimes a wrong move now. You hear xylophone, for instance, any man's gold.
Yeah.
On the issues nearby, and I'm saying artists need be somehow were affected in terms of image.
Yeah.
And also, how do you see it?
Yes, it's true. Yes. Me want to say, for instance, xylophone situation. They say it was something the industry needed. As in, almost every artist is making it on their own. I say, wow, see a crowd being announced Sunday. So, I mean, everyone wanted to be part of it because here Sky they will try some type of international videos be back to back.
Right.
Yeah. So people jumped on it. But no, you need to say na a bit end it. And I think any men's good issues nimpa. Any enka image, you know, artists ne image, you know, nye so affected because what he said, I think say Kumigeta ye interview be one of the internet stations. Now ye be line no say go for musa questions, you know. They were all most of them were saying say scan when you see you know, like as if say hey so you affected him. Exactly. So it affected him. So it's dangerous, but I mean life is a risk. So feel Uchena baby no o de calculate the obenya any OTT free but still now we okay it's all do if I say only fee any other day am car in like 2 years time yawapa omuntimi ento asubi ma ebi anka o carry nyina anka onya fee ni kada
na say no say be different say one so be shimo
yes, that's I'm talking about the situation where it's yours. Wajin wudimu
I feel no journey a Flowking stone na we no pure HammerTime na ye wo Bapa Christie e wo line so why na be twetwe nkomo Ghana Music Awards no ya nominating no nti person na twetwe nkomo na oni ye na share enwum na e buy no I nominating no say na o si feel about it many about marching na pombo ko de
acho Crystal na so
ikukrum kakra kanena mesonyoma
eniema bocho
to asoma me
ye minya mi asiemi mi koma jumio minya mi asiemi mi koma jumio
unu se sanyu we buy no
95.7
obi anu edi ho agora ya me fe pa ina na Mama Brown na mumbi no also must start acting a comedians because seriously mumbi no dear also na man ankasa no the character no if
empire you na say nya me be na be
baba na so far enyom tuomu challenges minim se bebrewum maybe by some people so what must have back to new way say now to what as a person
mera simini ave ma medical chia wati for na aka meka no say abrabomu no kuku hiase matiase edru mere bi ade de beba edru mere bi ade nyono beba but ni nyina mu no Bible said you didn't want to erade so no ade nyina dibu anu ne wie no yie enti no me ma brabo mu de me hunu se de ba bia no nyame ne ma ho kwan ma ne ba but the sia me nyame aka kire me se osisi egidie te sasa na bia be ka se me pontutu ne betutu enti me di gidie ne tu anamo enti nyame asem se wa mfra me so beguma ani masem mo be hye mani mo nyam de a na ne nyame ani mo nyam hye na da bia metana se mehwe ani mo kwan enti hu se me da so tia peche ma da bodue mo moje di me mo afusane so ya da so te oba panka enye ma ho den na mum no nyame adom yeah
the nyame ase na ye category now gospel song of the year only Joyce Blessing I serve you only IKN in Boboli Bobo Obapa Christie, Wasweme, Diana Hamilton, Moniyo, Koda, Hosanna, Joe Metal, My Everything, Better Revival Choir, Agbadza. Category I do two in ye, say now see who.
Oh, me who say and your bad na ye gospel artist me nyame adwuma ba ko na ye. And about so body e drum mere bi pon kan say bi wo say okopa no makon awie akase bebo me nkonim di abotire. Nti nyame ya adom no hye wani mo nyam na etimi no me na echiwa. No kwasem say abotire no wonsa ka eye. Nti me de me hu ne say ye nyina ye group ba ko me de makoma mu de ye nyina ye tonwom ye de manya me so ye hye nyame ye ni mo nyam. Nti no ye mu bia no de be kwa ma bia no very good ye nyina ye nipa ba ko. Yeah.
The recipe never bomb pay atawachi. So be some amayen because a no a winner a bear me de pa. Vote be say vote be say Nyamia do now we near Kaime because we too mao. Yes.
Thank you so much. Me fa kwenya we so na media chia adofo presenters DJs one a boa Obapa Christie ama enne ya da so temenka because o muni ho no ma meni ho. Situ me ankasa me sound engineer. The workra me mu sense materials you me mu ye business. Dambasi nyame kan say onyame oyishira no wo time ma onya ewo me ho. Ewo adwuma nyame de adom me ho because me hu ne say onyame aye ni pillar o mabrabo mu. Say o meboa me. And no anytime be a me run studio be no me hu ne say me wura me nua ben ma panyin studio na ye no kwasem say oye mane broso nti no mefa sa akonya we so ya na me pe stage bi agina so na nka ma yes adi ba me hu se wo brand so no mesa fa sa akonya we so na wa so de amame dambasi nyame inshira no pa amen
fishy I'm a recipe. Let's enjoy this song from Obapa Christie. You live on Pure 95.7.
This is Pure FM 95.7.
With the confession. Where's the confession? Come on, so. Seriously, me need gospel songs is how me came. Na nyoma mitimi bo me came back on yabo sisi.
Oh, okay. And a confession.
So sometimes mitimi to adu bakase na bakache me need to cry. No, you see also nyubu ha. Wow. As wa bakeke and tacho.
Yeah.
Obapa Christie.
Yeah.
Daughters.
Yeah.
Of Glorious.
Yeah.
You find it in my car. Tego sisters. You find them in my car.
Yeah.
They are Canadian.
I said they are Canadian.
This will be a radio. It's not my TV.
No. If you are real Phoebe.
Oh, they know my car. And I just said I'm tired of me. Okay, you know, you better TS from Kakra. The form now TS in so a brand I'm in no studio. Anna.
This is Pure FM 95.7.
Flow, Kingston. Oh, you can rock music.
Yeah.
And a Reggie Rockstone Kayano or say a formation of words.
For real.
Can boom.
Yes.
Inspiration for him.
This very one, and I say
this very one.
Okay, this very one there. May I be may the talking drums.
Right.
Talking drums tumpine and a idea way. Once can you know say you bought drums na uti drums na sound na who dear or 100% catch you say if you 6 o'clock in shia ha if you see if you antokwa biba to monko shema tadi it me bought drums na yate ase and me fasa idea na me who say the drums na kasa dia na me rapper me the drums na be kasa entino me fa different drum patterns from Ghana. Uti abonsi was isrim die donono gong and I'm a fa ketenia do ano from Asante and I'm a far agbaja kakra ezum gwada ewum any ade nti me various drum patterns now around Ghana no se drum pattern bi aba say bia gong gong godo gong na me used to the same rhythm na drum ne bono the same rhythm no na me the west ashim tonight they want my doom but we stay bright like moon lyrical bullets in my bones so we stay strapped like broom but it me nice songs now she be calling my phone like phone or send the pastor say me no be worry me die song I brought the rhythm of the drums into life through words and the same rhythm. Exactly. So that's it.
Okay, you are doing very well.
Friend, rapping drums.
Rapping drums.
Yeah, rapping drums.
You share artists. Nina, omuji dinka kre we no concrete.
Yeah.
And then artist nkwa.
Yeah.
Even Kumasi kra.
Yeah.
Obi start adwuma kakra bi office bi shop bi or to concrete.
Yeah.
It just say all the good ones are always moving.
Yeah.
Migration.
Yeah.
But it looks like what matter on them.
Yeah.
It looks like that spirit now me that
Let me see the enemy.
I mean, but if you believe what you can do,
truth,
your output in the better where you live,
truth,
your location will be to Abuja,
truth,
will be to Manhattan, New York,
yeah,
what's the idea of Manhattan? White House, Hawkers.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's I believe in what you believe in.
Yeah,
so we'll
exactly.
stay in Kumasi. So far, reception is the same.
So far, so good. I mean, I can't complain because I get a lot of fans from Kumasi. I mean, a lot. So I'll say big up to Kumasi for you know. But it's easy though. It's very, very challenging because the ocean industry nipa and crying as in almost all the big shows here on the war. Na say ana you route 24 say benya theater ni bi e Kumasi na yeso so yetimi akọ show under some roofed place be to say National Theater no and so say isa no man no bi ni Kumasi we mu a ayi ama
oyankasa
okay say those days no na Prempa Assembly Hall and at the Shemainum ni culture center function ye pa no so be kai pa those days no na nkofo ye shows pa na Kumasi nkofo people na entertainment ni hot pa but after a while na you lose sa no man nyina no na ama entertainment side no e ko from more it is a who ha uti ha na una wan yiro ho times 2 and times 3 wan bo ho modin ye pa ebeye din so betima catch up to the national
audience.
Exactly, but at the same time no people like us no like a sacrifice here ho say you better na crew man ama young boys no hope kakra because any obi an betimi etime to akonkran akwa to your rent ni ade akwa survive yo ho eti no say yen around no man hu ya omo vem no exactly omo vem no so better and ya sacrifice it what I do is I work double because a woman was a oko so now ko head echo so a woman no aba wa be hye a woman now ko e bia keep coast woman now ko takwade like we even though you are resident to Hano we still make sure that we push everywhere else.
Good.
Exactly.
It's on live on Pure 95.7 on HammerTime Fridays 9:30 to 10:30. I'm here with Flowking Stone, a nominee Hip Life Song of the Year, Blow My Mind. You are okay. You heard Hip Life Song of the Year. Your Medical Ayiko featuring Kim Promise.
Yeah.
Your Kwamina MP we are see the remix featuring Kwesi Arthur and Young C. Your Dope Nation Ish Stoneboy Pokeke featuring Medical Kosiata and Darko Vibes. Yapuno Ubia or the Master featuring Stoneboy. Your Strongman Baby Girl featuring Kwame Eugene. Sako Dear Can't Let You Go featuring Kim Promise and Flowking Stone Blow Your Mind. Title.
Yeah, I would be.
But say you voting and judges for home.
Exactly.
Church na kore ko voting.
Exactly.
Nti nyame adom I'll be biased. Wow,
but that's it.
Sinyame address me tuguma na say when I'm a part of them.
But that's it.
But
that's it. And
it is all actually be mommy from BC.
What that's it. And we if I say, I was say we take category no more. Even though we are no more that we are deserving no. Blow my mind was sir the core hip life a factor no. Our high life background and a rap that's what those days you know the name friend hip life bar no na a combination we bia they are kind but we are almost no kind of more modernized more afro but we know so high life element you know with the rap say you know hip life no but I mean that's just a strength back where for that category
right
it's the ABC.
Gifted. Gifted, right?
Yeah. Gifted 2.
Gifted 2.
Yeah.
Publicity, no. Maybe Juma.
Yeah.
I was expecting more nominations.
Exactly.
I mean, like perception, and I said the reality. Say, if you don't live in Accra, you won't be found change. Me personally, no issues with them. And then Kenny George Kuyi, but on them in crying.
Okay.
Service na amway.
Okay.
Yes, Ghana Music Awards.
Yeah.
But the Beyonce, yes, center on cry.
Yeah.
They are not pushing.
Spreading it enough.
That is the problem.
Yeah.
Moving forward, this awards now, so far as a nominee, preparations from Charterhouse, how do you assess it?
Okay, but that's it. First of all, I feel say the power is with the people. Always. Think as a politician, you know. And found when they saw your president and I saw your wine. A drew election timer, ultimately see ba ubia fee one by one, and no be casa because we now quit power. My point is, yeah, na you work room na Saudi and the 2 year, no, as in the people, no, as in Kumasi for yen the whole like the no, we have to speak up, There's one thing be a mistake. People think say everyone say be a Flowking stone and I say yeah, kaboom and kwa fight nti no say obi every krum eko baby no when munyam e bi kan kane no na abochiri no uko baby abo Ghana omunim Ghana say Guyana World Cup ne buy no any ade Ghana call n'anim no afei obo say obo Ghana say oh yeah Samuel Jan yeah the day are you even by individual by omo bo mo homodin wo World Cup ninti no when you animunyam bi favor bi wo broni bi anim wo Europe baby kan no onim ti say ubo ukrom ni abra and I say to touch Maria onwinam bia etino let's all speak up. Me when I speak, I don't mostly speak for myself because I've been in the game for a long time. Sa a hip life song of the year, you nominate me. Last 2 years, Biana Mwene with Golo, you nominate me by 6 times. Just my baby, my no my baby, our game in my feature almost everyone. Media, I don't mention any problem. But when I speak mostly for more ban because it has been very hard for. It is a music side ni enimte, movie side ni enimte, baby I enimte. It affects obia business. Exactly. I feel that if we feel say we are not being treated fairly, we should speak up. I mean everybody, not only the artist, everybody. And right now, baby, the best way to speak up is to vote. When you vote, who voting more, they would realize that and go forward more powerful because it's a game of numbers. And it's that DSTV which are Nigerian videos in Guano because some of numbers do so. I'm approval to DSTV for and say I'm gonna share DSTV them more. It's into their favored. Tebebo a more whiskey near the idea with DSTV. So the moment we are able to prove say we are powerful, I mean as a people, no. We will have the power and they would have to listen to us because they want where the numbers is or where we have most people. My mom, last example before I stop talking. Somebody like Fancy Gadam. The time he was nominated, no, they realized say the power the Tamale people have, no, is crazy. The numbers in Tamale now almost support to idea now. Music, you know. And you fancy that I'm going to supporting the whole. They support the whole music system. I realize this say the Tamale and Kofon support them more no. As soon it is a mistake to be a problem. And as some way it will be big over there for them too. So I leave it to the people
to judge.
Exactly.
Me push you kakra. Now me busa question be your artist of the year. Your Joe Metal, your Sarkodie, your Stoneboy, your Shatawale, your Kwame Eugene, your Kim Promise. A tight category. Besides a tight category, no. My issue is Shatta and Stoneboy.
Okay.
Sarkodie, Robbie Shoulders.
Right. But
over the years, Shatta and Tokwa on a Chatter House. Fighting for the industry. Sometimes you know Shatta. They be a language, but Ushima will push the agenda. Coming back after one Chatter House in your issue. Ufu say Oba is this category didn't go to on his Stoneboy. Say a tija baby category said as you
category me want to say. It was a good category, but in general they didn't nominate enough people,
right?
Because artists they've been there since and very consistent,
right?
Even me, I've been there since 2003, and if Blow My Mind is still a hit this year.
Alcohol.
Last year, go low. Any other day, I'm playing shows. I'm very vibrant. Then I deserve to be there. But it's not even about me. I'm just saying there are other artists who are also like that. Am I consistent for so many years? Because in the entertainment industry, it is very, very difficult to be on and consistent for even 5 years and I said 3 years. I'll be I better know for like 15 years, and so I believe they should find a way to also honor the other people. I almost and the other thing too I would say about that is between Shatta and Stoneboy. Shatta Beja Stoneboy.
In terms of no, also artist of the year. We are looking at the year.
Okay. Artist of the year. I mean, so decade, no.
No. We artist of the year.
Sorry. I mean, so decade. So my answer was for the decade, artist of the decade, not artist of the year.
No. We are talking about the year.
Okay.
The artist of the year, no. Saying I don't know much about that category. I know the artist of the year, fine performance, song, whatever. Is it about popularity? Is it about the songs? Is it about shows? Artist of the year, anything?
Okay. According to them, artist in the year of review, well, that's what I've heard. Or enough hits for the year,
right?
About shows, almost all the big shows he played, Obobi, and now for kind of one ceremony there. That's Matthias here, no. Yeah, it is
Ebeti Onyombako Oni Adina, one of the collabos. Me personally, me.
This is Pure FM 95.7.
Adina, rest on the beat. I go there for you forever. We go do all things together. Romeo, Juliet, JJ Nicoleto, who for the Paris, Romeo, Juliet, JJ Nicoleto, who for the Yeah, do you want to be biabeja?
Odobo mi nyumye. Na me so me harmonize ye. Odokom di mi ye. Kete mechibi una
mama bibindie. Hey, me sumobo inke. O me di matem cry me I don't care. She me baba show chain instead. Say me boys never rinse. Hey, mama matadria mama teneden. Say do bombi di ne mama feel benze. Me bonyo mama wama watu ne sente. I said that you know who is sabodenche. Pretty rainbow, baby don't go. They don't really know you sweeter than a mango. Fiti kwando, kosi kongo. Or baby anyone, but you done it so stone. Come on. Bye.
Flowking Stone, thanks so much for honoring my invitation. You saw live on Pure 95.7 on HammerTime. Come your way every Friday. 9:30 to 10:30 and that year set time you know anybody wants near you cracker home enti yebesa pembre na asa twetwem common ya ka in some about the industry as about your shows your preparation for 2019 how far you've gone and all that enti yebeda say obekai ho na twetwem common
so me that's it I'm honored. I mean we have a brand penny from Nevada. Me album senior daddy you know support me I mean since say Ibra Penya for me media need je cry buy because for a very long the way I was here positive person all the time you want to do something to support especially people from here no me I was honored because I always want an opportunity to do something for you. Yeah, so I mean I'm very glad to be here and I saw a good opportunity so I mean a team for muti na madam asene support mon vote ma Flowking Stone say for hip life song of the year no honestly I could name it but actually very could na mamo yeah I mean yeah
okay you did nyame bejawo
that's it
na yesu ni nyame atena ha
that's it
you went to also outside. Okay, so catch you live next week, same time. It's been HammerTime.